Let's move on now. The opposition National Conference in Jammu and Kashmir is holding a protest against the civilian killings in Sopore town of North Kashmir. A day after separatists announced a Bandh on Wednesday and a march to Sopore on Friday, the mainstream JKNC, in an apparent bid to hijack the issue, held a massive protest in Jammu. Omar's party questioning the silence of the Mufti government on that entire episode of the unexplained killings in Sopore. Four former militants have been killed in a week in Sopore, about which the police seems to have no clue yet.
एक समुंदर लोगों का आज यहाँ इकट्ठा हुआ है। ये इस बात की शहादत देता है कि लोग न पीडीपी और बीजेपी की सरकार से बिल्कुल नाला हैं, नाराज हैं, दुखी हैं और चाहते हैं कि ये सरकार जल्दी से जल्दी बर्खास्त की जाए। ये हमारा एहतजाज हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर में होगा, हर ब्लॉक हेडक्वार्टर में होगा।
Shuja ul Haq is now joining us with more details on that protest by the NC. Shuja, unexplained killings taking place in Sopore. What is the police saying about having made any headway at all in figuring out who these people are who are attacking the men in Sopore?
Well, Maha, this protest was organized in Jammu by National Conference workers, and it is in continuation with what happened just a couple of days back here in Srinagar when the former Chief Minister Umar Abdullah himself led a similar protest, and that was basically to sort of bring home the point that for last 100 days that there have been several blunders that this government has put across, and also the failures with regards to issues like this particular one, the unexplained killings in Sopore. Today we saw National Conference leaders in Jammu also mentioning it. This is becoming really mysterious, with no clarity as to who is really behind these killings. As we've been reporting, 4 deaths have already happened in less than about 1 week, and if you see this entire picture in totality, about 5 people have already been killed, and
right.
all of them are absolutely unexplained. So that is something which is clearly at this point of time cornering the government with the opposition as well coming up and raking these issues.
Shuja, were any other issues raised by the NC in the protest?
Well, there are other issues basically that the National Conference have continuously been raking up. They range from the economic issues, the issues related to rehabilitation and relief given out to the flood victims. The National Conference has been alleging that so far the government has failed to fulfill its promises with regards to giving some sort of a relief to the flood victims of last year, and also issues like the contentious points like Armed Forces Special Powers Act, return of power projects to the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Many issues that were definitely a part of the common minimum program that was sort of made public when this government had sort of started its functioning, and that's what the opposition is picking on. They are asking the government to come clean on all these issues and explain why they haven't been able to fulfill all the promises that were made so far.
All right, the National Conference cornering the BJP-PDP government in the state. Shuja ul Haq reporting on that protest that took place today. Many thanks, Shuja.